Hey, how are you? Today we are reviewing this phone holder with built-in wireless charger for your phone. If your phone supports the wireless charging function, or if you have iPhone 6 like me or some other phone without the wireless charging, but you bought this adapter which is installed under the case and will work as the wireless charging receiver. Okay, so in the box you will have the charger itself and USB-C cable, two types of mount that you can use in your car. Both are designed for the air vent, and which one you choose, it's up to you. Based on how heavy is your phone and how firm is your mount, you can choose the correct adapter. So over here I have the small one, but when I'm installing it, my phone holder would be in such position that it's not comfortable to use the phone, so I selected this one and I'm pretty happy with it. The installation is pretty easy. All you need to do is take the adapter, press the spring part and stick it into your air vent. Make sure not to break anything, and when you have it installed, just connect the grip, then use the USB cable to connect to your phone charger, and you are all set up. Now when you want to charge your phone, just put it over here and it starts automatically, and let's just squeeze it over here to make the holder hold your phone. Previously I was using one of those windscreen mounted holders that were easier to install, but the phone was so far away that it was not that easy to use it while driving. And don't get me wrong, you should not use your phone when you are driving, but when you need to reach it, for example when you are stuck in traffic and you want to browse the web or you want to read some emails, it's much better if it's over here, because you can actually read the phone without holding it. When for example phone is over here, it can be so far that you need to take it out from the grip and hold it in your hand. And the same goes for navigation. If you want to use your map, it's better if the phone is closer to you. It supports wide range of phone manufacturers, and as you can see, even if your phone does not support wireless charging, you can make it work with the holder. If you want to buy one of those, check the link in the description below. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up. Check my other tutorials for more reviews and automotive tutorials, and see you soon.